so I'll make it quick.
It's Paul Titterington. I've got a wonderful series personally in my office right now. Hi, this is Paul Titterington. I'm a real estate agent with Platinum Partners in Downers Grove. I know you get a lot of videos from real estate agents, a lot of mail. I get it. There's so much stuff going on in this world where we get bombarded with so much. What I decided to do is to start a series just to show the genuineness of who I am as a person, but also most importantly, I think this world is just lacking so much in one-on-one conversations and relationship building. I think that's so important. So this new series that I started is focusing not only as me as a real estate agent, but most importantly, the interlining, the behind the scenes of who I am as a person. Is this something that benefits you? It may. So I hope you'll sit around and watch. Also, I'm going to be coming up with a live chat as well to talk to people and answer their questions. I get so many questions, not only about real estate, but about life in general. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you understanding who I am as a person. Have a blessed day.